This video is going to be all about creatine, which is an extremely popular supplement used to gain muscle mass and strength. It's a white powdery substance typically taken in 3 to 5 gram doses. First things first, creatine is not a steroid. It's 3 amino acids, glycine, arginine and methionine. It's naturally occurring in red meats and fish products, however people supplement it to get more creatine in their diet. Now, to understand how creatine works, know that ATP is used in your body as a prime energy source. It loses a phosphate when it's used and becomes ADP, which is pretty much useless to your body. As creatine is phosphate bound, a phosphate group is donated to ADP by creatine to reform ATP. Creatine is able to hydrate muscle cells. It brings many benefits. One example being an increase in the number of ions into the cell, and another being an increase in protein synthesis. Creatine allows more water to be held by your cells, and to keep the concentration of ions the same in your cells, more ions follow the water into the cell. Having more ions such as nitrogen in your muscle cells increases protein synthesis. Creatine is the most studied supplement in existence, and there's yet to be one reputable study proving that creatine is harmful. In terms of overdosing, your body excretes creatine it doesn't use, so there's no worries there. However, it was only released into the market recently, so the long-term effects are hard to determine. However, even people who have taken creatine for years haven't had any diverse effects that are directly related to creatine use. Some people believe that it can help to cycle on and off creatine, but a lot of people don't, as it's not necessarily needed. Those who do cycle creatine believe that after a while of taking it, your body may try to control the creatine phosphate storage to bring back your creatine phosphate levels down to normal. Cycling off it may help you bring back your body's equilibrium back into a position where if you take creatine again, it would be advantageous, but there's few studies to really prove this. Loading creatine isn't 100% necessary, but it may speed up saturating your muscles. Taking 5 grams a day will roughly take 30 days to saturate your muscles, but taking 15 to 20 grams a day for 5 days may give the same effect. You can then go back down to the regular dose of 3 to 5 grams after loading period. So when do you take it? Well, many people say pre-workout, post-workout, and even pre and post-workout. There's several arguments for all cases, but most take creatine whenever it works for them. Taking creatine with something other than water, like a protein shake, has been found to be more effective for getting creatine into your system though. So most people take it whenever they're drinking something with some form of nutritional value.